Let me show you on this video how to customize your Noupe chatbot. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Noupe. On this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Noupe chatbot. So let's get started. To customize your Noupe chatbot, go ahead and edit your Noupe, head on over to your Noupe chatbot. Once you train it, head on over to the customize option. In this section, we'll have several available customization options to customize the look and style of your Noupe chatbot. Now in this case, I have the available preview live right here on the right, and I'll be able to first change the avatar. I have a few available avatars that I can start using here without having to add my own. In case I want to use some of the Noupe avatars, just go ahead and select it and it's going to automatically update right here. If you want to add your own avatar, go ahead and click on the plus button and this will allow you to upload your own avatar. I do recommend that you use a PNG where it has your image already cropped out. So that's a good option right here. Then we have the first message. By default, it's set to AI generated. If you don't want to have this AI generated, you can use the custom option right here. Now, by default, you already have a custom generated one by AI, which helps you get started. You can go ahead and customize the first message right here. I can go ahead and type it here, make this even better or even shorter, depending on my use case. But in this case, I like the AI generated, so I'm going to leave that one right here. Then I have the option to change the color right here. There's several available colors that we can use right here, depending on the branding on your website. And if you can't find the color that you need right here, go ahead and click on custom color. This will allow you to select any of the colors available that you might need, including the hex option to add the specific color of your branding. So in this case, I'm going to leave it red just for testing purposes. Then I have the option for the sizing. There's two available options. One is a small option where it doesn't take up a lot of your screen. You can see here, there's a little avatar and I go ahead and click on it and it opens it up. Or I can use this one that's an expanded view with a text option right here. So straight from this option, I can go ahead and start typing. So it's a great option if you want to use those two available options. Then we have the alignment. So you have the option to change it to the left or to the right. So if I change it to the left, it's now going to be on the left. And this is useful in case you have other elements on your website that might get on the way. So send it over to the left or to the right. So customizing your Noupe chatbot is super easy. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Noupe, start building your Noupe chatbot and add it to your website right away to provide support for your visitors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.